Day 7 of trying to catch every fish in PA. Today we're going after the thick common carp. I'm targeting them in this warm water river, and I'm going to be catching them with this fresh slice of bread. And here's what it looks like. Gotta make sure that the tip is exposed a little. It didn't take very long for a carp to see it and suck it up, and he was fighting pretty hard. Just look at my rod bend. What's crazy is that this guy wasn't even that big, but carp just fight really good. After a little bit, he finally began to slow down, and I worked him towards the bank. Compared to some of the other catches of the series, this one was pretty straightforward, but we wanted to knock out some of the carp since we don't target them that much. As you can see, this guy wasn't the biggest, but there were some pretty big ones in the river with it. They're technically not native, and they're actually from Europe, which is where they get their name. And after a little bit, it finally swam away. Thanks for watching, and follow us to see the rest of our journey.